Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or remove menu bar items on your MacBook. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by selecting the Apple icon up at the top left corner of our menu, and then you want to select System Preferences. Go ahead and select where it says Dock and Menu Bar. On the left side underneath Control Center, you can select any one of these buttons that are under here. Just go ahead and select it. And there should be an option to show in menu bar. Again, you have the option to choose between any of the items showing underneath Control Center here. So again, very straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.